Well, that looks awful. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I try again at a Mitchell from Instagram look. All we can learn by this is he's literally like a magician. But I gave it my best shot. Didn't do too badly. I'm not too mad at it. But let me know what you think in the comments. Rate it. How well do you think I did? Again, if you want to see the first one I did, I'll link that below. I will also link the rest of the video because I did half of it live. So yeah, if you want to see me get stressed and try and get this look, which honestly, I'm not mad at it. It could be a lot better, but yeah, then just keep on watching. If you're not subscribed to the channel, then please click subscribe, click the bell, you'll be notified when I make a new video. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you again soon. What? Hope you enjoyed this video and keep watching if you want to watch it. Oh, I'm growing a dimple. I've never had a dimple before. A dimple! Oh my god, I got a dimple! That's the scariest face I've ever seen in my life. Here I am, back at it again. I've prepped my eye, as you can see. I hope you can see. We're going to go in and give this look a go by MMMMITCHELL. Yeah. I'm also going to do the other side live on Facebook. I do a lot of lives, so the link will be in the description if you want to go and see that. Anyway. Let's get on with it. I'm going to zoom in, I think. Well, I might be alright from now. I'm going to zoom in a little bit, but, yeah. I think I'm going to go into the, although I think these are shimmers. Are these all shimmers? I think this whole palette is shimmers, which is very annoying. But anyway, I'm going to go into this baby pink shade. I don't know what it's going to look like, and if it's a shimmer, well, it's kind of ruined, but... Look rounded, but that looks so... Doesn't that just look a mess? It looks so messy. I'm going to have to wipe that off, I think. I'm going to have to wipe that off. Right. I've got my P. Louise base, which may look a little bit dark, but we're just going to have to go with it. Okay. Okie dokie. If I was P. Louise, what would I do next? I think I'm going to go straight in with Wine and Dine. Is that the wrong move to make? I don't really... Shit! This, I think, is what P. Louise would do. So I'm just going to be in the mind of P. Louise and Mitchell. And hope for the best. I'm going to kind of make it round. Well, that looks awful. Morphe M506 brush, which is small, and I'm going to blend this out here. Tell you what, it hasn't gone too bad blending wise. They're really dark, which I'm dreading. But I'm thinking if I just use a little brush, I feel like that's going to be the goal here. It looks black. However, I'm going to go into like an aubergine colour because I'm too scared to use black. So in the outer corner, and up here. I've watched a P. Louise tutorial before. The ones you pay for is like £4, and she always talks about sandwich layers. So we're going to do that, and I'm going to go back in with each. Once everything's kind of on, I reckon it will probably look better. I never forget what this is. I always forget what this look's called. I find this so difficult to try and get the semicircle, so I'm going to just do what Jamie Jen said she does and applies it on the lid, and then she like looks down and looks right up. It should, yes, Jamie. Okay, too bad. Wait, what am I doing? What am I doing? Okay. Get the colour Optimistic. Go right down the centre. And because I know this is pigmented. How do I get it as a... Why is that smudged? Why has it done that? Why has it done that? Why has it done that? Well, that looks ghastly. I feel like they've put a little bit of glitter liner there, but I'm definitely not going to do that, because if I do that I will ruin everything that I've just done. So I think I'm going to put a little bit more of this shade right here. And call it a day. I think I'm literally just going to call that a day. So that's one eye done. One eye. But anyway, I'm going to go and do a live now. Probably going to cock it up again, but I've got to go and do the other eye. And yeah, so I'll be back when I've done the other eye. If you want to see that, I'll link it below. It'll be a Facebook Live. Yeah. Alright, see you in a bit. I've got to take this hoodie off because I'm sweating so much. But I'm so scared because I know that I'm probably going to... Imagine if I just smudged my whole eye. Do I dress like a man? No. Is it so... Ah, I caught my ear. So, what do you think? I finally did it. What is the time? I don't even know what time I started, but it's 3:10 now. I do really like it though. However, it's not as neat as I would have hoped, but anyway, this is as good as it's going to get from me. Mitchell is honestly a god. How they do it and it be so perfect and so neat is beyond me. Like, honestly, so good. But I tried, and I like doing these ones because, like, when they actually turn out well, I'm happy. Which isn't all the time. I did have to restart. But anyway, this is the finished look. I hope you liked it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. To click on the bell. You'll be notified when I make a new video. So yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know what you thought of this and how you thought I did. And if you want me to do more like this, then please let me know. Thank you for joining, and thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye. I need to just get a new entry. Just